Nerf Wars today. We are going to be in Nerf Wars today. Oh my gosh, he looks like an assassin. Okay guys, what's going on? Oh, we're going to be doing a Nerf Wars video today. Woo!
Right there.
And just subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, slap that bell for notifications, and just enjoy this video. Hope you're all having an amazing day. And yeah, I said that twice, so that was really weird. Let's get to it. Okay. On the count of three, we're gonna start. Kevin, take your
I don't think anyone would have a good day with a gun battle.
3. Oh my God. You like twice.
Where's my torn?
Your bullet? You still got a bunch of bullets left.
Torn.
You still got a bunch of bullets left. We got a bunch of bullets upstairs. Let's go. Man, my gun is jammed so good. Why are you hiding behind the same barrier? Not a very good idea, boy. Are you gonna wrap it up?
No way.
Yeah, we're not halfway. That's the spear right there. By the way, you can go behind the couch. Reload break. Cut. Okay, we are back with Assassin's Creed, aka Epic Nerf War, and we just did a reload break. We got extra right there. And now it's going to be even epicer. Yeah. I don't know if that's a word. That's not a word. I don't think. Let's go. On the count of 3. 3. Oh, headshot. You're down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I lost my air protection.
Oh, you don't have you lost your air protection? Okay, you're good now.
Dang it, I did. Once you've been hit.
Oh yeah, I've been hit. I was hit. Just kidding. Okay. Reload break. Cut. Okay, let's do this. On the count of 5. 5, 3, 1, 3, 5. Let's get 2 digits on that. Let's try to get 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes for another video like this. And just have an amazing day.